Have a look at the 4 words we've got on the screen. They all end in K-E-D. Now, most students pronounce K-E-D as could, and this is incorrect if it's at the end of a word. So most students would say cooked, talked, locked, but this is not correct. When you have K-E-D at the end of a word, the ED sound is pronounced as a T. So this word is pronounced as walked. Walked. So you still have to say that K sound, but you add a T sound at the end. Repeat after me. Walked. Cooked. Talked. And locked. One more time. Walked. Cooked. Talked. Locked. So just remember, when you have a K-E-D at the end of a word, it's pronounced as T. You still need to say the K sound, but the ED sound becomes a T. Now let's have a look at some examples. Repeat after me. He walked to work. She cooked dinner for me. They talked all night. He locked the door. One more time, but a bit faster. He walked to work. She cooked dinner for me. They talked all night. He locked the door. So just remember, guys, if you have a K-E-D at the end of a word, it's pronounced as T. But remember, you still have to pronounce that K sound as well.